Hi, hello. Welcome to Chiguru, the learning route. I am Rashmi. So, in my last video, I explained you about exercise 13A multiple choice question, right? Yes, that is the first question what I explained. So, now I am going to explain about second question, from second question to 10 question. And don't skip this video. So, watch all the problems what I solved and learn by yourself. Okay, it's in a simpler English words I'm using and you can understand easily and perfectly. Right? Okay, shall we start? Yes. Second question. Second question is 17a to the power of 6 b8 minus 34a to the power of 4 b to the power of 6 plus 51a square b to the power of 4. So now there are three terms. So there are three terms is nothing but taking a common factor. We can read one more time the question. Yes. Right. Yes. There are three terms. Which are the common? See here a to the power of 6, a to the power of 4, a to the power of 2. Which are having a lesser power that we have to choose as a common. So 8 square is a common and b to the power of 8, b to the power of 6, b to the power of 4. That means b to the power of 4 is a common and they are 17, 34, 51. That means these are the tables of 17. That means 17 is a common. Right. So now we mark which are the commons. Let's take out the common. 17 a square b to the power of 4. So if you put bracket, then here in this first term, which one will be common? Already taken. Apart from that, remaining term we have to write. Yes. So 17, nothing to write. A to the power of 6, here a to the power of 2, we have taken a common. Remaining is a to the power of 4. So b to the power of 8, but we have taken common b to the power of 4. Remaining is b to the power of 4 minus, right, 34. 17 2s are 34, right? So 17 2s are 34. A square I have taken a common. Remaining is a square b to the power of 4 I have taken common. Remaining is b square plus. So 51. 51 is nothing but 17 3s are 51. Yes. Yes. 17 3s are 51. A square already taken common. B to the power of 4, b to the power of 4 already taken a common. So remaining only 3. Then close the bracket. So that means 17 a square b to the power of 4 into a to the power of 4 b to the power of 4 minus 2 into a square b square plus 3 are the factors of given expression. That is nothing but 17 a to the power of 6 b to the power of 8 minus 34 a to the power of 4 b to the power of 6 plus 51 a square b to the power of 4. Right. So shall we go for third question now? This is the third question. 3 x to the power of 5 y minus 27 x to the power of 4 y square plus 12 x cube y cube. Right. So now here also you will find a 3 terms. So we have to go for common factors. Taking out a common factors. So 3x to the power of y minus 27 x to the power of 4 y square plus 12 x cube y cube. Right. So in these 3 terms, which are the common? 3, 27, 12. Which is the least common now in the numbers? 3. So x to the power of 5, x to the power of 4, x to the power of 3. So which is the least common? X to the power of 3. Why? Because the power of that x having less number, right? Okay. Then y square, y cube. Which is the less? Yes, only y is the less. So these are the common we have to take out. Let's check out. So 3x cube y. So if I taken this as a common, then which will be the remaining terms? Let's see. Yeah, 3 have taken x cube. Remaining is x square. Y I have already taken. So minus 3 nines are in which table? If you will get 27, 3 nines are 27. X to the power of 3, x to the power of 4. Remaining is x. The 3 times have taken back, remaining is 1 time. Y square. The remaining is 1 time and the sign remains same, that is plus, and 3 fours are 12. So 3 fours are 12, x cube as it is, here y, there y cube. So remaining is y square. Then put comma. Right? Yes. So 3x cube y into x square minus 9xy plus 4y square are the common factors of 3x to the power of 5y minus 27x to the power of 4y square plus 12x cube y cube. Yes. Let's go for next question, fourth one. Yes. So the fourth question is x square into a minus b minus y square into a minus b plus z square into a minus b. That's the fourth question, right? Yes, again we'll write the question as it is. X square into a minus b minus y square into a minus b plus z square into a minus b. Okay, so how many terms are there? 4 terms. 4 terms? No, 3 terms, right? So there are 3 terms. In all the 3 terms, which is a common, right? So a minus b is a common one. Take out a minus b. Remaining is in this term. If I take out a minus b, remaining is x square in this term. So after this one, which sign you have? Minus. So in this term, if I take out a minus b, remaining is y square. Then after that, there is a plus sign, and in this term, if I take out a minus b, remaining will be z square. So that means a minus b into x square minus y square plus z square are the factors of x square into a minus b minus y square into a minus b plus z square into a minus b. Right? So I hope you all are getting the concept thoroughly. Yes. As next we'll go for fifth question. This is the fifth question. X plus y into a plus b plus x minus y into a plus b. Now just tell me how many terms you will find here. Question as it is. So x plus y into a plus b plus x minus y into a plus b. Now tell me how many terms you will find here. You may say 4 terms, right? No. So here there are only 2 terms. Why? Because see, x plus y into a plus b. That means here 2. X minus y into a plus b. That means here 2. Right? That means only 2 terms you will find here. So if you move on to multiplication, then later you can say that how many terms. In these 2 terms, which are the common factors? Is it x plus y? No, right? Yes, a plus b. The common factor is a plus b. If I take a plus b, then here remaining is x plus y, then here beside plus, and here x minus y. Right? Yes. So now we'll remove the brackets inside the big bracket. So a plus b into x plus y, as it is you can write y because inside or outside you will find a plus sign itself, and here plus, then here x, plus into minus, minus y, right? So here can we cancel any letter or any variable? X plus x plus x, we cannot. Plus y minus y, right? So plus y minus y will get cancelled, so that a plus b, x plus x is nothing but a plus b into 2x, is, we can write it as 2x into a plus b, or 2x a plus b, a plus b into 2x, or 2x into a plus b, or without bracket 2x into a plus b, like this also we can write. So 2x into a plus b are the factors of x plus y into a plus b plus x minus y into a plus b. So this is about fifth question. This is the sixth question. Sixth question is 2b into 2a plus b minus 3c into 2a plus b. So once again we can write it on the question as it is, 3c 2a plus b. So how many terms are there? 1, 2 terms are there, right? In these 2 terms, these are common factors here, right? So 2a plus b is the common factor. So take out 2a plus b as a common factor, and remaining will be 2b minus 3c. Remaining is 2b minus 3c. Why? Because 2a plus b and this 2a plus b are taken common, and close the bracket, and these are the common factors of 2 into 2a plus b minus 3c into 2a plus b, right? So shall we go for seventh question? This is the seventh question. So 12abc minus 6a square b square c square plus 3a cube b cube c cube, right? Yes. So as usual, what I will say, write down again the question first. So 12abc minus 6a square b square c square plus 3a cube b cube c cube. Okay, now we have to guess which is the common factor. So 12, 6, 3. 3 is the common factor where we can take out as a common. A square, a cube. As usual, I already told, a is having only one power, b square, b cube. Yes, b having only one power. The same thing, c square, c cube. C having only one power. So now just tell me which are the common factors we have to take out. So 3a, b, c. So 3a, b, c are the common factors we have to take out. Let's come to the point. 3a, b, c we have taken out. So start with a bracket. So if I taken 3 as a common, then here remaining will be 4. So 3 4s are 3 4s are 12, is it? Yeah, and ABC we have already taken a common. Then which is the sign here? We have to represent the same sign and write on the same sign, minus. Yeah, 3 2s are 6. So 3 2s are 6, and we have taken ABC one time already as a common. The remaining will be ABC, right? Remaining will be ABC. Then plus 3 I have already taken common, so no need of writing again. So here ABC one time I have taken, the remaining is a square, b square, c square, right? Yes. So again, can you take out common here, here? No. Yes. So that 3abc into 4 minus 2abc plus a square, b square, c square are the factors of 12abc minus 6a square, b square, c square plus 3a cube, b cube, c cube. Eighth question is 4x into 3x minus 2y minus 2y into 3x minus 2y. So again, how I told you that, for again write the question as it is, 4x into 3x minus 2y minus 2y, again 3x minus 2y. So how many terms are there? Obviously there are two terms, 1 and 1, which is a common here, common factor. So 3x minus 2y, and here also 3x minus 2y. If I take out 3x minus 2y as a common, remaining is here 4x. 4x here minus, then here 2y. So let's get into this 3x minus 2y. You will not find any common here, right? Okay. 4x minus 2y. Do you find any common here? Right? Yeah, 2 is a common, no? So 3x minus 2y into 2 into 2x minus y. So 3x minus 2y into 2 into 2x minus y. So these are the factors of 4x into 3x minus 2y minus 2y into 3x minus 2y. Right? Ninth question. So ninth question is a plus 2b into 3a plus b minus a plus b into a plus 2b plus a plus 2b whole square. So again, usually what I will say, write the question as it is, a plus 2b into 3a plus b minus a plus b into a plus 2b plus a plus 2b whole square. Right? Okay. So now I want to ask you the same question. How many terms you have? How many terms? There are 3 terms where the terms are divided by plus and minus. Right? So in these 3 terms, which are the common factor? A plus 2b, a plus 2b, a plus 2b. Right? So shall we take out a plus 2b as a common? Yes. So a plus 2b. Then within the big bracket, we'll write the same. So 3a plus b. Right? And here minus. So a plus 2b I have taken a common, and remaining is a plus b, and plus sign a plus 2b I am taking a common, and remaining is a plus 2b, and close with a big bracket. Okay, so a plus 2b will be remains same as a common, and within the big bracket we have to open the bracket, and we have to open the bracket, then we have to go for simplification. Yeah, open the bracket here. So 3a plus b minus into plus minus into a minus into plus minus b plus into plus a plus into plus 2b. Okay, so if any variable will get cancelled, obviously the variable will get cancelled, which is that variable minus a plus b minus b. So plus a minus b plus b will get cancelled, and remaining will be a plus 2b as a common, right, or as it as a common. Then remaining is 3a 2b in between the plus sign. So 3a plus 2b. So a plus 2b into 3a plus 2b are the factors of a plus 2b into 3a plus b minus a plus b into a plus 2b plus a plus 2b all square. 10th question, 6xy into a square plus b square plus 8yz into a square plus b square minus 10xz into a square plus b square. Now just tell me how many times. So before going to that, we'll write the question as it is. 6xy into a square plus b square plus 8yz into a square plus b square minus 10xz into a square plus b square. So how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3 terms. Okay, in these 3 terms, there is a common factor, right? Can you tell me which is that one? A square plus b square. So a square plus b square is the common term. If you have taken this common term, remaining will be in the first term is 6xy, then sine plus sine, and here if I take out x square plus b square as a common, remaining will be 8yz minus a square plus b square taken a common, remaining is 10xz. These are the factors. A square plus b square into 6xy plus 8yz minus 10xz are the factors of 6xy into a square plus b square plus 8yz into a square plus b square minus 10xz into a square plus b square. Next coming video, I will solve question number from 11. Okay, so if you like this video, as usual, like, share and comment. If you have any issues and in any other concept, just text in the comment box. Until then, take care, bye bye, and moreover, subscribe my channel. Thank you for supporting me. Bye bye.